everybody, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to share 3 quick LinkedIn profile hacks that you may not know of, and you can use them to spruce your profile up a little bit. Use them to allow people to find you a little bit easier across Google search, so that SEO works really well with these. But before we get into those, if you haven't already, please go below, hit subscribe for me so you can catch all my latest videos. If you want to get notified, make sure you tick that little bell and select all so you'll get that notification. All right, now you've done that, so thanks for subscribing. Let's go into it and let me share the first tip. So the first one is around customizing your URL. So if you're not aware of this, LinkedIn lets you customize that URL link, similar to like an Instagram handle or a Facebook URL page that you could do, or even here on YouTube, once you've gone over the 1,000 subscribers, you can select your own URL. So what you need to do, I'm on my profile here. On the right-hand side where I'm highlighting, where I'm moving around the cursor, edit public profile and URL. Click on that. It'll open up a new page for you. So let me open that page up so you can see it as well. Okay, so you can see that now here, top right, where I'm highlighting. It's got personalize the URL for your profile. Click on the edit pencil and it comes up there where you can put in up to 100 letters or characters. So keep in mind though, just like on Insta, on everywhere else on social platforms, if your URL that you're putting in there has been selected already or is currently being used, it's not going to let you use that. So you might need to put a couple of extra numbers or letters at the end of it, or change it up a little bit more. But that's the first tip. Okay, so step 2, let me go back into the profile again, is all about stop promoting your competitors on your profile. And if you don't know about this one, yes, LinkedIn, it's all about that networking, as all social sites. I'm not discouraging that. What I am saying is if you're in a highly competitive field, when you're going onto people's profiles, on the right-hand side as well, they've got on there people who have also viewed this profile. Now, if you're in that industry, there may be prospects that are searching for areas or people of influence in your area. So what you want to do is turn that function off. So again, I'm going to the Me section, down to Settings and Privacy. Click on that. So we're sharing in the settings now. And as you can see, we're in Privacy, just where I've highlighted. We scroll down and it's viewers of this profile also viewed. You want to go in there and change that to no. Okay, so now it's on yes. I want to save that to no, which has been saved. That, again, will stop people having a look on the right-hand side and go and experiment. Go click on someone's profile now if you like. Happy to wait if you want to press pause. And you'll see on the right-hand side, it's got people who have also viewed this profile. So that'll get you out of that area where people may be hunting for your products or services, and not allow them to have a look at other people who are in your, I suppose, competitive edge. You're not making it easy for your prospects to go hunting and finding other suppliers. You want them to do business with you. Okay. Again, from that networking aspect, yes, we all want to network with as many people as possible, but you can do that through different means. You can do that through direct messaging. You can do that through personalized invitations and connect with people in that sense. But when people are finding you, you want them to concentrate on you, your products, your services, your business. I hope you like that second tip. Okay, give me a moment. We'll get into step 3. And again, if you haven't already and you're enjoying these tips, the next one's my favorite. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below, guys, and hit like. Tip 3 on your profile is around your headline. Okay, so as you can see on my headline, what I'm highlighted there just underneath your name is your headline. Now, most people will know when you're on the desktop like we are now, your maximum headline character limit is 120. And there's a lot of experts that are saying, yeah, you don't put your current job title or business under there because it'll come up on the right-hand side, or it's under your experiences, and that's not going to help people locate you. put on there a little bit about your why, your purpose, what you deliver to your clients. But you can do a mixture of both. Okay, so 120 characters on the desktop doesn't really allow you a combination to share the value that you're delivering to your clients. But what if I could tell you, you can increase that character limit from 120 to 220, and you do it with this wonderful thing called your phone. So you go into the mobile app on LinkedIn, and just under the settings again, you can increase it and type in your headline up to 220. So give me a moment. I'm going to show you the mobile version right now. So pencil, top right-hand corner. If you click on that one, it will open up your profile setting underneath the headline, adjust accordingly, and then hit save. Okay, everybody. So you saw how you can increase your LinkedIn headline through the mobile app up to 220 characters. Keep in mind, if you're coming back to the desktop and you're making a change under your profile settings, like you may be changing your summary or you may be changing a touch on the headline, it's not going to let you save it on the desktop if the characters are above the 120, because the platform is recognizing that you're on the desktop and it recognizes that you can only have a maximum character limit of 120. So you may want to save your long version headline from your mobile app, save that into your notes section on your phone, make the adjustments that you need to on your desktop, then go back onto your mobile app, copy and paste the extended version of your headline back in, and it'll show up on the desktop and the mobile version of LinkedIn. That's my personal favorite that I use all the time. I don't feel 120 characters does my headline justice. Enjoy those ones, guys. Again, thanks for hitting subscribe. Keep smashing your LinkedIn profile. There's a whole playlist, which I'll put at the end of this clip in a few seconds, where you can click on, where you can optimize and amplify your LinkedIn presence. Hope you enjoyed that one. I'll put that up now, and thanks for watching. Stay strong. Bye.